No, Chloe, stop! Luke, I don't know why you do this to people.
I didn't say her fault.
No, you said, oh, I bet you won't do it.
No, everyone said that.
Yeah, so then Chloe's going to do it now to prove you wrong. If she falls, I'm blaming you.
Yeah, everyone
Chloe,
said a bit. I
just
wouldn't go up.
warning ya, Luke said to me to say your last goodbyes.
I didn't.
Chloe, I get down now before it starts.
That's exactly where she was.
No, because if you get hailstones, she won't be able to see, and they'll get all in her face, and then she'll just start panicking. She'll end up falling.
I'm
Yeah.
hugging the tree. Get down now, Chloe.
Won't that happen?
Oh!
Oh, Luke.
Luke,
I love you. It looked really fit. Yeah. Get down before it hailstones, because they'll all go in your face. You'll start panicking. That's what I'm telling you. When hailstones, I'm afraid were like with wind.
it was really
Really windy. If you were on it when it was really windy and horrible, I was just
swaying.
you would be panicking. Such a big gap.
I'm not.
Told you I could do it, Luke.
Now Luke's got to do it.
Oh!
You missed.
I told you I could do it.